Welcome to Gardenary's Kitchen Garden Design Program. You are in for a treat if you love inspirational, beautiful, and productive gardens. Because in this program, I'm going to walk you through some of our most beautiful kitchen gardens designed by myself and my team at Rooted Garden based in Houston, Texas. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you so much kitchen garden inspiration. You're going to walk away knowing exactly how you want to set up or design your own kitchen garden to fit your space and to make it as beautiful and productive as possible. Way back in 2015, I nervously announced from my own little raised bed garden in Houston, Texas, that I loved two things about my city: the people and the gardens, and that I wanted to bring those two things together in my first business called Rooted Garden. Well, within the next few months and years, I really shaped that business to focus on one main thing, and that is raised bed kitchen gardens. The more gardens I designed, the more clients I worked with, the more I honed my design style and really narrowed down to some great kitchen garden setups that I know work both aesthetically and productively in the garden. Over the years, myself and my team have consulted with nearly 500 clients across the city of Houston, Texas. We've worked in really small gardens and small landscapes, and we worked in really big spaces. And we've created kitchen gardens that fit into each and every one. So throughout this program, you're gonna get a first-hand look. You're gonna literally get to walk inside each of these gardens and see what it looks like, what it would feel like to garden in those spaces. I'll be narrating each and every garden style to let you know why we chose the materials, the layout, and the setup that we did for each and every different client. The kitchen garden should be unique to you. It should be customized to fit your needs, your style, and your desires. And throughout this program, you're going to get to see and get inspired so that you can start to create a garden that fits your style just the way these do for our Rooted Garden clients.